Are you a salon, spa, or fitness studio owner looking to boost your revenue and simplify your offerings? Ever wondered if that all-in-one management software you're using, Vagaro, can actually handle selling service or product bundles? It's a question I hear all the time. Can you sell packages on Vagaro? And the short answer is a resounding yes. But like anything truly powerful, there's a bit more to it than just a simple click. Today, we're diving deep into the world of Vagaro packages, how they work, why they're a game changer for your business, and how you can set them up for maximum impact. Let's face it, in today's competitive market, simply offering individual services might not be enough. Clients are looking for value, convenience, and a clear path to achieving their beauty, wellness, or fitness goals. That's where packages come in. Think about it. A client who buys a package is already committing to multiple visits or services. This translates to more predictable income for you, increased client loyalty, and a higher average transaction value. But beyond just the financial benefits, packages on Vagaro offer incredible streamlining. Imagine no more manually tracking punch cards, no more awkward conversations about remaining sessions, and no more complicated spreadsheets. Vagaro automates all of this, freeing up your time to focus on what you do best, serving your clients. So, how exactly do you unlock this power within Vagaro? It all starts with understanding the packages feature, which is robust and designed with the unique needs of service-based businesses in mind. First, let's clarify what a package can be on Vagaro. It's not just a bundle of identical services. You can create service bundles, multiple instances of the same service, e.g., 5 blowouts for the price of 4. Mixed service bundles, a combination of different services, e.g., a facial, a massage, and a manicure. Service and product bundles, services paired with retail products, e.g., a haircut and a styling product. Membership-style packages, recurring packages that automatically renew, perfect for monthly yoga passes or weekly personal training sessions. The flexibility here is incredible, allowing you to tailor offerings to your specific clientele and business model. Now, let's walk through the general process of creating a package in Vagaro. While the exact steps might vary slightly with updates, the core functionality remains consistent. You'll typically navigate to your settings or services section within your Vagaro account. Look for an option related to packages or memberships. From there, you'll be prompted to add new package. This is where the magic happens. You'll need to give your package a clear, compelling name, something that immediately communicates its value to your clients. Think Relaxation Retreat Package or Glow Up Series, instead of just Package 1. Next, you'll define the services and/or products included in the package. Vagaro makes this easy by allowing you to search and select from your existing service and product lists. For each item, you'll specify the quantity included in the package. For example, if you're offering 10 yoga classes, you'd select your yoga class service and set the quantity to 10. One of the most powerful aspects is the ability to set the pricing. You can offer a discounted price for the package compared to buying each item individually, a key incentive for your clients. Vagaro will even help you calculate the savings, which you can then highlight in your marketing. You'll also specify the duration or expiration date for the package. This is crucial for managing redemption and encouraging timely use. Do the sessions expire after 6 months? Is it valid for a year? Clearly define this to avoid confusion. Another important consideration is whether the package is redeemable by multiple people. For example, if it's a couple's massage package, you might allow 2 redemptions per service. Or for a family fitness package, you might allow multiple family members to use the sessions. Vagaro provides options for this. Finally, you'll add a detailed description of the package. This is your opportunity to sell it. Highlight the benefits, list all the included items, and create excitement. You can also add an image to make it visually appealing on your online booking page. Once you've created your package, it's not just sitting there. Vagaro seamlessly integrates packages into your booking system. When a client books a service that's part of a package they've purchased, Vagaro automatically deducts a session from their package balance. No manual tracking, no errors. And the reporting? Oh, the reporting. Vagaro provides excellent analytics on package sales, redemption rates, and revenue generated. This data is invaluable for understanding what packages are performing well and identifying opportunities for new offerings. But let's think beyond just the technical setup for a moment. To truly leverage packages on Vagaro, you need a strategy. Consider creating tiered packages. Maybe a basic glow package with 3 facials, a deluxe glow with 5 facials and a product, and ultimate transformation with even more services and exclusive perks. This caters to different client budgets and commitment levels. Promote your packages. Don't just list them on your Vagaro booking page and hope clients stumble upon them. Feature them prominently on your website, social media, in your email newsletters, and even with in-store signage. Train your staff to confidently recommend packages to clients during their visits. Explain the value, the savings, and the convenience. Think about seasonal packages. A summer skin prep package in spring, a holiday stress relief package in late fall. These timely offerings can create urgency and excitement. And don't forget the power of add-on packages. For example, if a client is booking a regular haircut, you could offer a small, deep conditioning boost package for their next 3 visits. Finally, continuously review and refine your packages. Are some packages selling better than others? Are clients struggling to redeem certain packages? Use your Vagaro reports and client feedback to adjust your offerings and ensure they remain appealing and profitable. Selling packages on Vagaro isn't just a feature. It's a strategic tool that can transform your business. It allows you to offer more value to your clients, streamline your operations, and significantly boost your bottom line. If you're not already utilizing this powerful functionality, you're leaving money and efficiency on the table. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.